Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this today's video, I am going to show you how to fix unexpected login error. First, make sure your internet connection is working or not. If your internet is not working, then turn on airplane mode for few seconds and turn it off. And make sure your cap lock is off. If that's good. If that doesn't, then go to the Play Store or App Store and search 1xbet. If they're not showing, then go to the Chrome and open the website and search 1xbet. Then open the 1xbet and see their login and tap on the login and enter your ID or password. If that doesn't, then re-enter your password carefully. If that doesn't work, tap on the forget password and reset it. Then if that doesn't work, open the Chrome and search 1xbet and open the 1xbet. If they are showing update, then update it. And sometimes old version can block login access. So go to the setting and open app management and app list and search application. If you say there 1xbet, go to the 1xbet and storage and cache and do clear cache. Then reopen it and try again. If you are using a VPN, turn it off and try again, or switch server location if the site is restricted in your country. And if you say account blocked or verification needed, contact 1xbet support via live chat or email to verify to your account. That's it. That's how you can fix 1xbet login error. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys are liked it. If it helps, like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.